Good morning, guys. Don't mind my morning voice. It is very early and I am not always a morning person, but today I made a special circumstance. Oh God. I know just filming this clip, Paul's gonna put this in the video because it's a total blonde moment that I have. I have these all the time. Is that the right word to use, a circumstance? I might just redo this whole video. Today is Saturday, May 16th. Don't mind my voice. It is fairly early in the morning. We've been up since like 6 and I think it's almost 7 now. But right now Paul's just in the shower and I'm just kind of getting myself ready because as of today in Ontario, marinas, golf courses, and things like that, well, the more important thing is that the marinas are officially open and we are going up to the boat, which is in Midland, Ontario, which you would have seen in our last video. We did a quick little update travel video. Today is going to be a more in-depth. We'll show you inside the boat because we are going to be organizing and prepping it as we have a launch scheduled for early next week. So today is actually the start of our entertaining boating content as the boat's going to be in the water, so thank God. But yeah, I'm just going to get ready and we will check in soon.
It's, I guess, May 2-4 long weekend, the official kickoff for the summer. We are now on the 407 on the way up to get some prep work done on our boat. Hey man, thanks. Our plans for the day at this point are to get the props installed. We want to get the canvas top put up.
And sprayed down.
And we want to waterproof it because we cleaned it. I don't know if you guys saw on our Instagram. There's a fantastic little clip of Lex cleaning the canvas. It looks great. We also want to get some stuff wiped down. The interior all cleaned up, the cabin organized, just general stuff like that, so the boat's ready to be launched some point next week. So we're excited for that. Alright, so as you can see, we made it to the boat and also found some beer. What we're doing right now is we're putting the top up. So we've got this first piece of the canvas up, that's probably the worst. Then we're going to have the back piece and all the surround, and then we're going to do some cleaning after that. Cheers.
This is what we're looking at right now, a big mess. So pray for us.
For YouTube, buddy. Anything you want to tell the world on how to apply wax?
Yeah, don't use McGuire's Quick Wax. Cleaner wax. It's terrible.
He's used every kind of wax, and this is the one he says don't use.
Okay, so we're headed into town right now. So far we have done quite a bit on the boat already. So I wiped down, what did I say, wax? Like I waxed
a quick wax.
Of the I want to say some of the interior, I guess that's the right word, right? The whole top side. We put some cushions in, and did you end up putting the propellers on?
Yeah, we got the props on.
Oh, perfect. Got the propellers on. Top up. And it's 2:06 currently. We've been at the boat since about quarter after 10.
This morning.
So we've got a lot done in the small amount of time that we've been there. But yeah, we're headed into town right now because we need to get a couple of bins.
Yeah, some storage solutions.
Yeah, because we're going to head down to the cabin next to Clean and Organize. So we want to get some bins. And we're grabbing some of our friends some food, so that's why we're out. It's a beautiful sunny day.
We're back in the car.
Yeah, it's back in the car. But we'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so we're back in the boat, and we got some organizational stuff. So over here, all of our cushions here on the boat, from here to here to here, they all come up in their storage underneath, which is amazing. So in this one storage, we got about 6. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see okay, but we have 6 clear bins that we're hoping to put our clothing in. Our hopes are that when we come out to the boat on the weekends or like on a trip, the first day that we get to the boat, we're going to unpack our suitcases and leave the suitcases in the car so that there's no extra like space being taken up, and then everything clothing wise and shoes wise will go in this compartment down here. And then we're also going to properly utilize this closet here and hang up like some jackets or hoodies. It's a very small closet, but we're going to make use of that. But aside from that, yeah, we're just organizing. We got another basket to also put under the sink in the bathroom so that we can put like our shampoo, conditioner and stuff like that, so we're not like keeping like bags and stuff on here that we did last year. So we're really trying to be more organized this summer.
So here we are on our dock. Boat's not in the water yet, which is okay. It looks like it's going to be going in next week. Got all the cleaning up done, so we're all ready to go. Just need a couple repairs that we're going to do here at the marina. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please remember to like,
I'm here, I'm just really
comment,
tired.
and subscribe. Here's Lex, she's tired. She's worked hard today, so she didn't want to be in this.
Yeah, I'm really tired.
So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. And great.
Okay guys, so sorry I wasn't in the last clip. I am very dead. We had a very long day of working, organizing, cleaning, and all that fun stuff on the boat. We spent 7 o'clock now, and we were there at like, let's say
10 o'clock.
10, so it's been a long day. And we are now going to head back home. We're just leaving the marina now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this first little video. Obviously stay tuned for more, as we are hoping to be launched next week, so we're hoping that a lot more content, oh, and Paul's out of it. We're hoping to have a lot more content coming soon, and yeah, aside from that, please like, comment, and subscribe.
And for all our Canadian viewers, let us know in the comment section, what are you guys doing for this long weekend? And for all our American viewers, what are your plans for Memorial Day coming up?
Yep, so let us know below, and we'll see you in our next video.